What up geekers, in today's video I'm going to unbox this Apple Watch Series 6 Replica Edition. Well, obviously this is not a real Apple Watch, but I guess based on the box itself and the picture in it, they were able to create a replica that matched at least 60% of it. And also it actually works with Android and iOS. And for those people who don't know, this kind of product came all the way from China. So let's try to look at the box itself. Okay, so as you can see, it has an Apple logo in front. But in the original box, you will not see a smartwatch picture on the side. It's just the logo. Not the same with the replica. At the back of the box, you will see nothing. It's just a plain white. All right? And the way the packaging design works, it is not really the same with the original because they print a lot of graphics here. They put here, they put this one, they put that one. So when you open the box, let's try to open the box. When you open the box, when you open the original Apple Watch, you will see a picture of a smartwatch, which in the replica, they don't have it. Instead, they put a lot of graphics on it, like I said earlier. So that's the one thing I noticed. Let's try to open this. As you can see, this is an Apple Watch Series, Apple Watch 6 Series replica. Okay, so this one here. All right. Okay, so well, the case is very solid. Yeah, very solid. And it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. And the design, it looks like an original Apple Watch. This is amazing. And also the color of the Apple Watch is gray. Not my favorite, but it works. And I'm not really sure what chips was using on this replica. Okay, so let's try to, see this one? I'm not really sure what chip was using on it, but because it's quite laggy when you, let me try to focus on you. It's quite laggy, as you can see this one. I didn't test this battery life, how long will it last for hours, but I think it will take 1 day before it will run out. So I think that's a good thing if you go out and then go to work, right? And this watch has a sleep tracking. So let's try to sleep monitor. This watch has sleep tracking. It will track how many hours you will sleep in a day. So there's two options here. You can choose deep sleep. Where's that? You can choose deep sleep and light sleep. All right. So, and when you charge your Apple Watch, maybe at least 1 hour to get fully charged, or maybe 1.5 or 2 hours, probably. And also, it has 4 sensors at the back, as you can see. When you do your heart rate test, I will try to do the heart rate test. And I'll put it here in my arm. We'll test my heart rate. It light up with red, but normally in the original it light up with green. So that's the one thing you will not do it. All right. Okay, so let's try to open the rest of the box. So as you can see, we have this wristband. It's free. If you buy this Apple Watch, it's free. So let's try to open this one. Open this box and try to Open this. Okay, this one. Oh, there you go. Okay, so yeah, you will get a Nike sports band. This one is a Nike sports band, bracelet sports Nike. This one here. So let's try to open what's inside. Okay, so you got the white one, and this one is a sports band, I think. It's for Nike. So you get this too. Wristband if you buy this Apple Watch replica, and also you will get a free case. If you will buy, you'll got a free case, and then a charging cable, charging port. So you're gonna try to charge this one like this, then charge with if you have a charger head, you can put it in and then charge it. Okay, and then you got this user manual. So you're gonna read this user manual if you want, and then that's it. That's what you get if you buy a replica Apple Watch Series 6. So this one here. And actually you can change graphics here. You can change graphics if you want, change it. Yeah, it's similar with the original one. This one is quite amazing for 25 bucks, probably 30 bucks for Apple Watch. Yeah, you can turn this one. Nice. Okay, so if you enjoyed this unboxing video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help out my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you love this content in the future. My name is Michael, and this is the Geek Talk, and I'll see you again next time. Peace out.